Are you tired of losing track of time and struggling with project management? Toggl Track revolutionizes time tracking for over 70,000 businesses, making work efficient, not overwhelming. Imagine having all your time entries organized in a calendar that syncs with Google and Outlook. With our mobile and desktop apps, track time effortlessly whether you're in the office or on the go. Enjoy one-click timers that allow you to start tracking with ease, while our integrations enhance your workflow across over 100 applications. Experience unprecedented insights with customizable reports to boost your profitability. Say goodbye to complicated invoicing with seamless integrations, ensuring smooth financial management. Join us today and unlock your team's full potential. Sign up for free, no credit card required. Let's get you on track.